Today I'm talking to you guys about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Now, these are something that I'm doing a little quick unboxing and a little short video, and they look really cool. They have a lot of features. You can get 11 hours of music on a single charge. Another amazing feature is 3 minutes of a charge can give you another hour. Now, this is supposed to offer a very clear voice so you can hear everything very specifically. Now, I know that my other earpiece was pretty good in the beginning, but I've had it for a couple years, and this is something I wanted to try. It is Android and iOS compatible. You pair it with smart devices via Bluetooth. There is a Galaxy Buds Plus app. Now, in this app, you can do a lot of things like canceling out some of the outside noise, or I think it's called the ambient, or bringing it in so you can still hear if you decide to wear both earbuds in your ear. Because sometimes, you know, when we put something in both of our ears, we can't hear everything around us. But this is going to allow you to do just that. It also comes with 3 different size ear gels, and that's also very important because some ear holes are very small and some ear holes are very big. So it just depends. Now, the last time I tried some earbuds, because my ear holes are small, it just wasn't working on some of the other ones. But this one looks like it might be very comfortable. So I'm going to go ahead and try them. It's got a really nice case that it comes in, that when you plug it in, you're charging the case and also the earbuds as well. And they're when you put them in there, it's like a little magnetic thing that holds them in there. So I'm going to try them out for about a month, and then I'm going to get back to you guys and let you know what I think about them. So I hope you like this review, and I will see you guys next time.